ASVAB Math Arithmetic Study Exam Questions. Which of these fractions is the largest? 7/8, 3/8, 2/5, 1/4. 7/8 equals 35/40, 3/8 equals 15/40, 2/5 equals 16/40, 1/4 equals 10/40. The largest fraction is 7/8. The cube of 8 is underscore. 8 cubed, or 8x equals 512. What is the product of the square root of 64 and the square root of 25? Square root of 64 equals 8. Square root of 25 equals 5. 8x5 equals 40. Camille uses a 20% off coupon when buying a sweater that costs $47.99. If she also pays 6% sales tax on the purchase, how much does she pay? First, compute the price of the sweater after the discount. Discounted price of the sweater, 100% to 20%, $47.99, equals 80%, $47.99, 0.80, 47.99, equals $38.39. Second, add the sales tax, total amount paid, $38.39 plus $38.39, 6%, 38.39 plus 38.39, 0.06, 38.39 plus 2.30 equals $40.69. If x equals 12, what is the value of p in this equation? P equals x caret 2/6, 4. P equals 12 caret 2/6, for p equals 144/6, for p equals 24 to 4 p equals 20. Corey's average score after 8 tests is 91%. If he gets a 78% on his 9th test, what will his new average be? Sum of all values given / number of all values given 8 tests with a score of 91 each. 91 x 8 equals 728, 728 plus 78, /9 equals 806 /9 equals 89.55 89.6%. Y caret 5, x, y caret 3 equals y caret 8. At Michael's Smoothie Shop, smoothies cost $3.50 during the week and $4 on weekends. If Jonathan bought a smoothie every day except Saturday, how much did he spend on smoothies that week? 5x $3.50 equals $17.50. $17.50 plus $4 equals $21.50. A pizza maker has Y pounds of flour to make pizzas. After he has used 60 pounds of flour, how much flour is left? The expression that correctly represents the quantity of flour left is y 60. In a classroom of 32 students, 14 are male. What percentage of the class is female? 32 to 14 equals 18, 18 30 seconds, 100, equals 56.25% equals 56%. A barista averages making 16 coffees per hour. At this rate, how many hours will it take until she's made 1,200 coffees? 16/1 equals 1200/x. 16x equals 1200, x equals 75. 4 out of 28 students had to go to summer school. What is the ratio of students who did not have to go to summer school expressed in its lowest terms? 24/28 divided by 4/4 equals 6/7. You just went on a blind date and wanted to impress the girl by adding an 18% tip to the total cost of the meal. 2 entrees came to a total of $35.90. Desserts cost $7.50 and beverages cost $6.60. What is the 18% tip going to cost? Add all the courses to get the total cost of the meal, $35.90 plus $7.50 plus $6.60 equals $50. Get 18% of the total. To compute the tip to be paid, $50, 18%, equals $50, 0.18, equals $9. You are asked to buy bags of cement to pour a cement pad for a hot tub. You need to fill the pad frame, which is a square frame measuring 8 feet long and 1 foot high. Each bag of cement mixed will fill 5 cubic feet in the frame. How many bags will you need to buy to ensure enough to fill the entire frame? D equals LWHV sad face 8, 8, 1, equals 64 cubic feet 64/5 equals 12.8 round off to 13 bags of cement. Which of the following is a prime number, 13, 15, 4, or 12? A prime number is one that can be divided evenly only by itself and 1. All of the other choices can be divided by numbers other than just 1 and the given number. What is 4.7x 5 cubed? 5 cubed equals 125. 4.7x 125 equals 587.5. 12 feet plus 14 yards, /6 equals 14 yards x 3 equals 42 feet. 42 feet plus 12 feet equals 54 feet. 54 divided by 6 equals 9 feet. If donuts are usually 75 cents each, but there is a sale on Friday advertising them as 1 dozen plus 1/2 dozen for $10.80, what is the new cost for just one? 12 plus 1/2 x 12 equals 12 plus 6 equals 18 donuts. If 18 donuts cost $10.80, compute for the cost of each donut. $10.80/18 equals 60 cents per donut. The answer, therefore, is 60 cents. The sixth root of 64 is 2 because 2 to the power of 6 equals 64. Karen is 6 years older than her sister Michelle, and Michelle is 2 years younger than their brother David. If the sum of their ages is 62, how old is Michelle? X equals Michelle's age. X plus 6 equals Karen's age. X plus 2 equals David's age. State the problem in an equation. X plus 6 plus X plus 2 equals 62. 3 times plus 8 is equal to 62. 3x plus 8-8 equals 62-8. 3x equals 54. 3x divided by 3 equals 54 divided by 3x equals 18. This is Michelle's age.